Welcome to this lecture. So in the previous lecture, we declared and initialized our face detector, and then we are converting the frames of the live camera footage into input image format and passing it to our face detection model. After that, we are printing information in the console so that we can see our face detection model is working correctly or not. And if you have installed the application in your real device and tried that, you will be able to see the information here. But inside this application, apart from showing the location of the face here in the console, we are also going to draw the rectangles around detected faces. So in this lecture, we will complete that process. So instead of showing this information in the console, we are going to draw the rectangles around detected faces in real time. So how we are going to do that? So in order to draw the rectangles around detected faces, we are going to use a similar approach which we applied inside our face recognition with images application. So there we were using custom paint widget which provides us a canvas, and then on that canvas we were drawing the image, and then on that image we were drawing the rectangle. But now we got this live camera footage, and here we cannot get its frame one by one and then draw it on the canvas of custom paint widget, because it will be very resource heavy operation. So instead what we are going to do, we are going to place another widget exactly at the same position where we are displaying this live camera footage, but that widget will be transparent. And now on that widget we are going to draw the rectangles, and it will gonna give us an impression that the rectangle is being drawn on the live camera footage itself. But in actual, we are placing a transparent widget exactly at the same position of the live camera footage and drawing rectangles on it. And now to do that, you can go to our build method, and there you will see this code commented. So you can simply select this code and uncomment it. And there you can see in this code we are adding another position widget inside our stack children, and here the position is very important. So there you can see this widget is also starting from the top left corner, and it is expanding till the width and the height of screen. Or in other words, the position of this widget is exactly the same as the position of our camera preview. So there you can see we specified the same thing here. And in this position widget, we are showing the widget returned by this build result method. So we got this method here, and we just need to uncomment it. So you can simply select this build result method and uncomment it. And in this method, we are basically returning a custom paint widget. So just like our face recognition with images application, we are using custom paint widget to draw the rectangles around detected faces. But this time in this custom paint widget, we are not going to draw the image, but the canvas of this custom paint widget will be transparent, and we are only going to draw the rectangles on that canvas. And as this custom paint widget is present at the same position where that camera preview widget, so it will gonna give the impression that the rectangle is being drawn on the live camera footage itself. So now after uncommenting this build result method, you can see there is one error inside it, which is this face detector painter. So this is a class which we already have inside our application code, and we need to uncomment it. So you can scroll to the bottom and select this class. So there you will be able to see this code commented, so you can simply select it and uncomment this face detector painter. And now the error above will be gone, and we are going to cover the code of this face detector painter and the code of our build result method inside our next lecture. But for now we are simply going to use it for displaying the rectangles around detected faces, and once you will see them inside your application, then you will be able to understand them better. So here, after uncommenting this build result method and this face detector painter class, we need to do one more thing, and that is, after getting the list of faces inside our perform face detection method, we need to assign this list of faces to the scan result variable. So here inside the set state block, we can do that thing. So scan result and assign the list of faces to it. And after doing that, when for the particular frame of the live camera footage, this method will be executed, and we will pass that frame to our face detection model and get the list of faces. Then here we are assigning it to this variable. So now wherever this variable is being used, the changes will apply, and we are using the scan result variable below. So there you can see we are firstly using it inside this build result. So the code of this build result method will be executed again, or in other words, the code of this face detector painter will be executed again. And inside it, we are passing that list of faces. So this class will gonna use this list to draw the rectangle. So now after doing all these things, you can simply install this application inside your real device again, and now you will be able to see the rectangle drawn around your face. So let's test this thing, and then we are going to cover the code using which we have made this possible. So I will install this application inside my real device. So now this application is installed inside my real device, and here I have opened the back camera, and you can see it is able to detect all 5 faces present in that image. Similarly, if I will switch the camera and point it at my face, you can see my face here. So it means that our application is working correctly at this point, and we are able to draw the rectangles around detected faces.